Right then guys, we're back. Well, the divide's getting bigger again, isn't it? Sorry about having to do my domestic chores. Now, the Chris Whitty incident. Couple of young lads, got a few beers on board, having a bit of fun. Nobody got hurt. I didn't see any crime. But the police want to charge them with common assault, even though they said sorry. Well, let's put that into perspective, shall we? The police batter somebody over the head with a baton. They end up in court. What do they get charged with? Common assault. I didn't see anybody getting hurt there around Whitty. The police throw a pensioner on the floor, kick them, arrest them. A report is made, and they say sorry, and that's all right. Hancock, you've destroyed lives in this country, along with Whitty, Boris, and the other corrupt politicians. What do? Say you're sorry. That's all right then, isn't it? The police claim that the two lads were harassing Chris Whitty. How many times over the last year have we seen, with the evidence of the police harassing ordinary members of the public for no reason? Do you see where I'm going now again with the two-tier society? It's always going to be one rule for them, one rule for us. They can say they're sorry, and everything's washed away. Everything's pushed under the carpet. That's fine, you said you're sorry. Hypocrites, a lot of them. None of those people should be in a position of power. To my mind, 90% of the police should be retrained. Don't get me wrong, there are good ones out there, but they're far and few between. So the divide just keeps getting bigger and bigger. And this is what they want. They moan about everything that the public do. They moan about the public protesting. But it's their actions that are causing it. To all you shit shower in power, you created this society by your actions. Leave people alone, they will leave you alone.